In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to iPhone 7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Apple Watch Series 6 with an iPhone 7 and how to use them together. You will be able to answer calls, texts, and use all of the features available on the Apple Watch. Now, the only difficulty or limitation with doing this is that depending on the iOS version and watchOS version that you have, you might encounter some problems when pairing them up together. I'm gonna go over the process and you should follow it, but if you encounter any problems while trying to do this, or they are not being detected, then you should try updating the iOS version and the watchOS version to get it fixed. So to start, make sure that they are powered on. So when you power on your Apple Watch, there's going to be a pop-up on screen telling you to bring it near an iPhone. Once you put your iPhone and the Apple Watch in close proximity, they should automatically pair between themselves. So you will be able to follow the instructions on screen to get it all set up. You will be able to customize the text size, you will be able to change the watch face, and set up all of the applications available on your watch. Alternatively, if this doesn't work, or if you want to do it manually, all that you have to do is open the Apple Watch application. Inside, you will once again be able to choose the option to set it up for yourself. So follow the instructions on screen. It's going to tell you to either bring the Apple Watch near your iPhone or to use your camera to scan a specific pattern on the watch face. And by doing this, once again, they will be paired up successfully. You will receive all notifications, calls, texts, and you can use all of the functionalities on the Apple Watch. If this doesn't work, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, check the iOS version and the watchOS version that you have. Depending on the version that you are using on these devices, they are either going to be unable to connect together or they need to be updated in order to reach that point. So make sure that you update everything and try again. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to iPhone 7. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.